We'll guide you through how to find your Apple ID account on an iPhone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are in Outlook, and for whatever reason you want to change your signature, perhaps something changed in it. For example, perhaps you've got your contact details in there and you've got a new phone number, or perhaps you want to go and add some new contact details you have, or there's another reason why you want to do this. Don't worry, we're going to guide you through this step by step so you know exactly how you can go and change it, add things, remove things, etc. So just to go and show you our current signature, if I go and press new mail in the top left, you then go and see what it currently looks like. Very simple, but you go and get the idea here. So what we can do is go and change this. What you need to do is go and head to the top right of Outlook. There you're going to go and find the gear or cog icon, which you can then go and click on, settings. These will go and open up. Now come over to the left and you need to go and press the option for accounts. And then you're going to see this list of options and you need to go and find the option for signatures and you can go and click there. Now here you're going to go and see the signature. It's possible to go and have multiple. So you can go and press this drop down menu here and you can go and see, I could go and select a different one. Now what you can also do here is you can go and change the existing one, or you could go and change it to a whole nother one. So you could go and press new signature and I could then go and give this a name and then I could go and start working on it. So you go and get the idea. In this case though, I want to go and change the existing one. So I'll go and choose the name signature I currently have here. So what we can do is we can go and click in here, for example, and you could then go and press enter to add a new line. And I could go and add in my email here. So I could type in robtuckervideos@gmail.com like so. And what I can do is go and scroll down here. And what I could do is go and highlight it. And I could go and change the formatting. So I could click on font. I could change that. I could change the font size, make it smaller or bigger. What I can also do is I can go and make it bold to make it clearer. I could put it in italics or go and underline it as well. There are 3 dots and you've got some other options as well. With all different formatting tools, you've got plenty to go and choose from. So what you can do is go and keep making your change. So I could go add in something else as well, or I could go and remove the current image here. I'll click on it and then with it selected, I'll press the back key or delete key and I can add in another. So I then press the image button at the bottom. And then what I can do is go and locate the image I want to do this with. So let me go and do that now, my assets. Let me say I just want to use the GuideRealm profile icon. I'll click on it and go and press open. There it is. At the moment, it's way too big. So if I go and click on it, I'll scroll across like so. And then if I click it again, I can then go and click, hold and drag. And as you can see, I'm making it a lot smaller, like so. I make it a little bit bigger and there we have it. So once you're happy with the change you've made, you can then go and press save in the bottom right like this. And what you can do is go and scroll down here and you can go and choose the signature you go and use for new messages and replies and forwards. As perhaps you want to go use a separate one. So what you can do here is click on it and then choose the signature you want to use. I could go and create a different one as well for replies perhaps. So now I've gone and successfully gone and changed it. What I can do is I can go and close out of this just by closing it. And you'll go and see this is the old one. Let me delete this draft. And then I'll press new mail in the top left and you'll go and see we're now using it. So that's it. It's that simple to go and change signature in Outlook. If you want more videos like this, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. And there are plenty more on the channel covering Outlook as well. I look forward to help you again in the future with more Outlook guides. Consider subscribing and liking the video.